Good morning, everybody. I'm Nate with Busy Bees and More, and today we are going to be assembling one of our Beehive products. So first we need to assemble the boxes before you can put the frames in. The instructions are very simple and they're very easy to follow, as they are right there. So I have pre-glued this part of the box, and I'm going to show you how to pound it into the side, and that's how we're going to form the box. So now we have our rubber mallet, and we are going to be pounding the box together. It's as simple as that. We have glued this side, and we are now going to pound this side of the box together. We have now completed both sides, and we just need to put this part on and the box will be complete. It's as simple as that. To save time, we are not going to be assembling the other two boxes on video. The other two boxes are bigger, but if you just follow the instructions, they're very clear. You'll be able to assemble them very easily. We have easily finished the construction of these three boxes. As you see, we have one large box and one smaller box and one smaller box. They're all different sizes. And now we are going to do the construction of the frames. As you see right here, it comes with 5 pieces, the frame included, and we are going to be assembling that right now. This frame is called the Super Foundation, and the one we are about to assemble is the bigger one called the Brood Foundation. So here we have the size difference from the Super Foundation and the Brood Foundation. So here we have the Brood Foundations, and these fit into the 2 larger boxes, and you fit them in as simple as this. To save time, we're not going to be doing all of these, but just 3 for an example. There you go. So here we have the Brood Foundations in the box. So here we have the smaller Super Foundations, and these fit into the one smaller box that comes with this kit. Okay, so we have finished the construction of all 3 boxes, and now we have the bottom board, which is right here, and you want to get the biggest box. Very light, just use the handles on the side. You want to even them up on all sides. Then you get your other one, you stack that on top, as so, making sure it's even on all sides. Okay. Now you need to get your Super Foundations, which are in the smallest box, and you want to put that on top. Now you have your inner cover. Put that right there. And then your cover, which fits right on top. And there you have a completed Busy Bees and More Beehive.